Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, let's go ahead and teach you how you can remove the search icon or search bar from your Shopify done theme. All right. Now, the moment you're done, you're gonna be able to get the results just like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Tataria. So now, the moment you're right here in your dashboard, your backend, you want to come to store, online store. You want to come to themes, and right here you're gonna see the done theme. Looking at you like this, okay, and you want to go ahead and click on customize, okay. I'm sure yours might be the default, your live store, maybe it's your live store. So you scroll up and you're gonna see that, sure you see it, all right, and you click on customize, and you're gonna land on a page just like this, all right. And the next thing you want to do is simple. You just want to do is to click on header section, okay. Click on header, and as you can see, there is no toggle icon for you to remove the search icon, all right. So what you want to do next is to scroll down to this custom CSS, all right, and scroll down, and right here you want to paste something, and what you want to paste is this, all right, is this one that says to remove using CSS, and you want to copy this, and you paste, and right now you can see the search icon is gone, all right. So that's exactly how you can remove the search bar or search icon using this method, okay. Another method you can use in case you don't want to use the custom CSS is to use the this, okay. You can actually come here, okay, to this, and if you're cool with that, just go ahead and click on save and you're good to go, okay. You can have a nice day, okay. All right, so you can actually use the section, you can add block, or you can click on add section rather, and come here to custom liquid, all right, and click on custom liquid, all right, and you want to come back here to this file, and you want to use the to remove using CL, all right. You want to come here and you paste, all right, and the moment you paste, you can see it is gone, all right, it is gone. So this is exactly how you can go ahead and remove your search bar or search icon from your Shopify done theme, all right. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. It is very important because this is also what I do, and I do it for you guys. So please support the movement, and let's get these to 10,000 subscribers in the future, okay. And please join the movement. Thank you very much for subscribing, and in case you don't want to subscribe, at least please like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people who will be needing something just like this. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in another video. Please take care of yourself and take care of your health. Peace and have a nice day. All right, bye.